Welcome to Easy English Channel. I'm Rafi.
And I'm Sarah. Today we're going shopping at the supermarket.
This topic is very important for all English learners. We all go shopping in real life, right? So, learning how to talk in a supermarket helps you in daily life.
Exactly. You'll learn useful words and natural conversation you can use anywhere.
So, let's start our shopping trip together. Get ready to listen, learn, and enjoy.
Okay, let's grab a cart first.
Yes, let's go. This supermarket looks big and clean.
I like it. Everything is well organized.
Do you have your shopping list?
Yes, I made it last night. What about you?
I have one too. It helps me not forget things.
What's first on your list?
Hmm. I need rice, eggs, and cooking oil.
Great. I need vegetables first. Tomatoes, potatoes, and carrots.
Perfect. The vegetable section is right over there. Let's go.
Wow, everything looks so fresh today.
Yes. These tomatoes are bright red.
Let's pick some nice ones. I'll take half a kilo.
I'll take some onions too. They look good.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I cook simple dishes. Fried rice, curry, noodles.
That's nice. I cook sometimes, but only easy food.
Same here. Okay, vegetables done. What's next?
Fruits. I want bananas and apples.
Good choice. Fruits are healthy.
Yes, I eat fruit every morning.
Me too, with breakfast. Okay, now let's go to the bakery section. I need bread.
I love the smell of fresh bread.
Same. I'll take brown bread. What about you?
I'll get some croissants. They look soft and buttery.
Do you want any snacks?
Hmm, maybe chips and chocolate.
Of course. You always love chocolate.
Yes, that's my weakness.
Do you usually eat snacks at night?
Sometimes when I watch movies. What about you?
Me too. A movie feels incomplete without snacks.
Okay, now the dairy section.
Right. I'll take milk and orange juice.
I'll get some yogurt and cheese.
I like yogurt too. Good for digestion.
True, and milk is important for bones.
Yeah, I drink milk every morning with coffee.
The fridge is cold.
Yes, everything is so chilled.
What else do you need?
Let me check my list. Rice, oil, salt, and sugar.
Okay, those are in the next aisle.
Got it. I'll take one bag of rice.
Do you like cooking with basmati rice or normal rice?
I prefer basmati. It smells nice and tastes great.
Same. It's perfect for fried rice.
Okay, done. Anything else on your list?
Coffee. I can't live without coffee.
You're a coffee queen.
And you're a tea king.
Exactly. Tea in the morning, tea in the evening.
Let's go to the frozen section.
Sure. Do you buy frozen food often?
Sometimes pizza or ice cream.
Oh, yes. Ice cream. I'll take one tub of chocolate flavor.
I'll take vanilla. Simple and classic.
It's so cold here.
Don't stay too long or we'll freeze.
Okay, let's move to the beverage section.
Juice, soda, or water.
Juice. I'll get mango juice.
I'll take lemonade. Refreshing and light.
The supermarket is busy today.
Yes, maybe because it's the weekend.
I like shopping early in the morning. It's quiet then.
Me too, but we came late today.
That's fine. More people means more fun to watch.
True. Do you like shopping alone or with someone?
With someone. It's more fun, and I don't get bored.
Yes, alone shopping feels like work. With a friend, it feels like fun.
Let's check our lists.
Okay, I have vegetables, fruits, bread, snacks, yogurt, coffee. Done.
I have rice, milk, oil, and juice. Done too.
Great. Let's go to the checkout counter.
Okay. I hope the line isn't too long.
Beep, beep. I like that sound.
It means we're almost done.
These bags are heavy,
Yeah, we bought a lot 3W1 today.
but it was a fun shopping day.
Yes, we talked, learned, and bought everything we needed.
I like how we use English while doing real life things.
That's the best way to learn. Practice while living your life.
Exactly. Learning should be natural.
And fun too.
The weather is nice. Let's grab a cold drink.
Sure, I'll take mango juice again.
I'll take iced coffee, of course.
Coffee queen again.
Always.
So friends, today we learned many useful words. Vegetables, fruits, dairy, and more.
Yes, and we practiced real supermarket conversation in easy English.
Remember, practice these words during your next shopping trip.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to speak English.
Step by step, you'll get better every day.
Thanks for listening to Easy English Channel.
See you next time with another fun English conversation. Bye-bye.